All right, friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. This one is for the cats. This is the ONEISALL stainless steel wireless pet fountain. This holds over 3 liters of water in a nice and easy to clean dishwasher safe container. It has the feature of running water and the convenience of the battery operation, so you can put this fresh water anywhere your cats need it. It comes with a nylon cord if you do need to use that, and it is bite resistant, so that is always comforting. Simply fill this with water. Next step is we can take our little pump, and this plastic part attaches to there, and then our plug-in goes right into there. Okay, then we place this right down into the water like that. Have our little filter that goes right here on the top, just like that. Nice as you please. And then our stainless steel part goes right over the portion, just like that. And finally, our motor, just make sure, or a battery pack, make sure these are lined up. There's pretty much only one way you can put it in here. And we are good to go. So a few things with this. To power on, simply hold down the button. The light will come on. We got water flowing. So the initial stage is the motion sensor, which when this comes on, the cats will walk by or something, and then it'll be fresh water flowing. So make sure it gets some, if there's a new stagnant water on top, it'll get it cleaned up for them real quick. The next one is we push the other button. It goes over to the timer indicator, and that way it'll flow 30 seconds of water every half hour. We also have a battery indicator light and filter replacement light on there too. Another cool thing is we can see on the front here, when the water is blue, it shows your water level here, but also when it's blue, it means you have sufficient water. When this light turns red, it means time to, it needs to be refilled. This is Booger here. We call him Boogie, and this is his brother Thomas. I like the time delay feature on the water because one of my cats is very skittish and he gets afraid of the water noise. So it's nice that the water you can set it to only come out every half hour for 30 seconds. This ensures they still have nice clean water and they're not afraid of the pet fountain. Fresh, clean, running water anywhere we want it. That's super convenient. You don't have to be tied to an outlet and find that. So whether you're going on a trip or whether you just need a spot for your cats to have fresh water, this is very convenient. The battery lasts up to 60 days. It's stainless steel, so we can just throw it in the dishwasher if we need to clean it. ONEISALL is definitely transforming the way you pet. Also, it's very low noise, so the cats aren't going to be afraid of it when they're drinking. If you want to be able to maybe go on a little vacation and your cats need their fresh water, you can have this and you don't have to worry about them. The cordless feature is very nice, easy to clean, easy to use. You can put it wherever you want. Thanks so much for watching, my friends. Be sure to check this product out. I'll link it in the description below. You guys have a great day, and I'll see y'all next time.